Frailty. Noun. Frailty. Frailty. The condition of being weak and delicate. The condition of being weak and delicate. Frailty. 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 Example, the increasing frailty of old age. Example, the increasing frailty of old age. Synonyms: infirmity, infirmness, weakness, weakliness, feebleness, enfeeblement, debility. Synonyms: infirmity, infirmness, weakness, weakliness, feebleness, enfeeblement, debility. Antonyms: strength, healthiness. Antonyms: strength, healthiness. 1. This is a reflection of their frailty. 2. Despite increasing physical frailty, he continued to write stories. 3. She died after a long period of increasing frailty. 4. Increasing frailty meant that she was more and more confined to bed. 5. Though ill for most of her life, physical frailty never stopped her from working.